Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this 3 light LED mask, which basically helps with the prevention of acne with the different uses of different light technology. So this includes 3 different colors: red, blue, and orange light. So let's see what it looks like. Super nice. So all you do is basically just wear it like this. The red light helps with blood circulation, accelerates metabolism, generates collagen, and is helpful for wrinkle care and skin improvement. The blue light removes acne and is helpful for acne care. And then the orange light helps with fading pigments and different stuff like that. It's helpful to soften the skin and with pigmentation. Here's the on button. Click it again for the blue light, and then again for the orange light. To turn the device off, all you need to do is click and hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. They recommend that you use this product for about 10 to 20 minutes per day if you want to see extreme difference in your skin, elasticity, acne prevention, etc. It's really easy to integrate into your everyday routine. All you do is clean your face, put on, just basic products such as moisturizer, turn it on, and you're done. So there you have the 3-color LED mask. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this LED 3 light mask.